Hi everyone, welcome to this new tips and tricks which is around the user tags. Today is the first episode of a series which is community tags. There is more to come, so stay tuned for the future one. So as I was mentioning, today we're going to talk about the community tags. So there is 3 simple steps that will help you to achieve and to use this community tag. The first one being the creation of these community tags, then the usage of them in a content, and then finally how to filter your content thanks to the community tags. So let's move on to the first step, which is the creation of a community tag. So I'm going to share with you in this quick video how to use that. So first you need to go on the settings of your community, and if you scroll down a bit you will find out the community tags panel. And here you have 2 sections. The first one, which is add tags, we are going to add all the tags that seems relevant for you. So all these tags can be chosen by type. So if it can be a what, a where, a when, a how, and all the tags that already exist in the 6W tags in the TradeX Friends platform. And once you're happy with the list, you're just going to add them and it will just be moved in the selected tag. And now you can apply your selections and your tags are ready to be used. So let's move on to step 2, where I'm going to share with you how to tag a content thanks to the suggested tags that we just created. So we are going to launch the video, and as you can see here, we are in an editing mode of an idea. And if you just scroll down, we are going to create like a final line in our content, and I'm going to use 4 letters, N, A, and A. And then it will automatically propose me some other tags. So here it's management, so it selected it. And also I'm able to select the existing tag thanks to the bottom panel. So my content is tagged and ready to be retrieved after. So which is the step 3. I'm going to share with you the interface of that. So we have all the tags in the top of your community, and you can click on them to refine your search, your feed in the middle. And I'm just going to select one of them. So here I just filtered by IT and article. So here I got my content. So hope you enjoy these tips and tricks, and stay tuned for the future ones that will come really shortly around the other way of using user tags. Thank you.